Welcome to the Department of Botany, SP College Srinagar, where practical learning and innovation go hand in hand under the CSIR Floriculture Mission. This video presents the harvesting, processing, and bouquet making of fresh, colorful gladiolus flowers, giving postgraduate students valuable hands-on training in commercial floriculture and entrepreneurship. The gladiolus crop was harvested scientifically during the cool morning hours to ensure maximum freshness, longer vase life, and better market quality. Semi-open flower spikes were selected as they are ideal for transport and commercial use. PG students of botany actively participated in harvesting and learned the scientific techniques involved in processing cut flowers. Dr. Y. Lake Rizvi, Head, Department of Botany, interacted with the students and explained the main objectives of the CSIR Floriculture Mission. He highlighted the vast opportunities for entrepreneurship in ornamental horticulture and emphasized the growing potential of the cut flower industry in the Kashmir Valley. He encouraged students to transform their passion for flowers into profitable enterprises through scientific knowledge, dedication, and innovation. Professor Manzawani, in charge, CSIR Floriculture Mission, conducted practical training on the processing of gladiolus flower spikes for bouquet making. Students learned that semi-open flower spikes should be harvested in the early morning to preserve freshness. The unopened florets at the top were pinched off, and the green sepal covering around unopened buds was carefully removed to allow the petals to open naturally and enhance the beauty of the spikes. Students received hands-on experience in preparing attractive gladiolus bouquets by arranging flower spikes with proper balance, color combination, and symmetry. They also learned the use of suitable filler foliage and ornamental plant materials to improve the appearance and commercial value of bouquets. Practical guidance was provided on arranging flowers in decorative vases for homes, institutions, exhibitions, and the floral market. The beautifully prepared bouquets and vase arrangements were presented by the students to the dignitaries and to the worthy principal, Dr. K.A. Khan, appreciating the efforts of the students and faculty. The principal expressed his satisfaction with the successful implementation of the CSIR Floriculture Mission. He acknowledged the Department of Botany for promoting skill enhancement, experiential learning, and entrepreneurship development through scientific floriculture. This initiative reflects the commitment of the Department of Botany, SP College Srinagar, towards empowering students with practical skills, professional confidence, and entrepreneurial vision. Such programs bridge classroom learning with real-world applications, preparing young minds for sustainable careers in the rapidly growing floriculture sector. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Green Treasure at Prof. Mwani for more educational videos on botany, floriculture, biodiversity, and entrepreneurship.
Thank you so much for watching this presentation. Feel free to watch other videos at YouTube channel Green Treasure. Please comment, like, follow, share, and subscribe to the channel for more videos.